Google Earth Pro is a geospatial software application that displays a virtual globe which offers the ability to analyze and capture geographical data. Nowadays, Google Earth Pro is used in different applications and different activities in the day to day life. At the same time, Google Earth Pro can be used for very important activities, especially to obtain GPS locations to use in the GIS software. Let's do a small practical example. First, navigate into a place where you are familiar with. In my case, I navigate to the Waddur town area. To navigate to a place where you want, use the search button. You can further zoom out and navigate exactly to the Waddur town. You can do this practical example with the familiar places in your town area. Here it is, the Waddur town area. I make it further large. Okay. Now I need to identify different places and obtain the GPS locations. Since I am familiar with this town area, I know where the public places are located. To get the GPS locations, we need to use Add Place Mark button. Once you click it, it appears this kind of a box. In the box, you can see longitudes, latitudes are mentioned. Once you move this place mark button across the map, you can see that the longitudes and latitudes are changing. First, I'll mark the police department. This is the place of the police department at Waddur. I'll give the name as Department of Police. Also, you can change the icon's color and the type of the icon by clicking this button. There are many options. I keep it the same one. Click OK. Click OK to this one. Once you do that, you can see under the places the Department of Police layer is located. We add another location. This is the place of library. Click OK. This is the place of bank, that is BOC Bank. This is the place of one of the schools. This is the place of a local authority, that is the local authority office. Let's mark it as office of the local authority. Now we have marked 5 places at the Wadua town area. Now all these 5 places are in different layers. We need to take all these layers into one file. To do that, first we develop a folder. Folder needs a name. We say public places of Wadua. Click OK. Once you do that, you can see that the folder also in the places layer. What you have to do next is that the places you have marked have to take into this folder. We drag and take into the folder. Then you can see all these GPS locations layers are under this folder. Next, what you have to do is that you have to save this folder as save place as. You can change the name if you want. The folder will be saved as the name similar as given previous occasion, and it also asks the place to save and the file type. There are 2 file types, KMZ and KML. I prefer to use KML because through the QGIS software it is much easier to open the KML file. Click save. Now a file would have saved in the desktop. Let's see. Yes, the KML file having all these 5 places are now stored in a one file, and file have separately saved in my desktop. Once you do that, you can take this file to another computer and open from the Google Earth Pro, or you can open this from the QGIS software as well.